work about when you enable rewards activity on your app, on your RetailMeNot app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse, you just go down, click here on account down here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to next step here. Then you click here on push notifications. Then it's going to take you to this list. Just click on notification categories here. You come here to rewards activity here. Just click in this sign. Like you see this color show for us. That's been here rewards activity enabled with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. That's all. You just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.